Are you looking for some healthy sweet treats to put into your kids' Tiffin lunchbox? I've got a solution. Healthy coconut-based banana cake. Take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you make it at home simple and easy. To make this cake, we're going to start by whisking the dry ingredients. We're using whole wheat flour, to which we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, some salt, and cinnamon. So we're just going to whisk it to combine evenly. So I'm going to set this aside so I can start whisking the wet ingredients. For that, we require a coconut oil base. I've kept it in the fridge so that it hardens up for a while. So we're going to add some brown sugar. We have bananas, which are sweet enough, but just for a little added caramelization, we're going to add some brown sugar. And because we're using whole wheat flour, I like to use honey with the density. So I'm going to use an electric whisk. Doesn't need more than this. I'm going to add 1 egg and vanilla extract. So I like to use extra vanilla simply because coconut oil is a strong taste and sometimes kids don't like to eat it. So with the vanilla, you're masking the heaviness of coconut. Now to this, I'm going to add buttermilk. Buttermilk helps make it a lot lighter and the mashed banana. I've used 2 bananas here. You might need 3 if they're small. So they've combined just enough. Now for the dry ingredients. Now remember, you don't want to overmix, just until it's combined. So that's it. I'm going to clear this out so I can pour it into my cake tin. So we're going to start pouring it into our cake tin. And now you want to remove any air bubbles, so you throw it on the surface. So now I'm going to bake this in an oven for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. So while the cake is in the oven, I'm going to prepare the frosting. It's a healthy version with cream cheese, honey instead of sugar, and protein-packed peanut butter. To mask some of the coconut oil from the cake, I'm going to add more vanilla essence and just a hint of cinnamon. And now it just needs a few whisks. So I'm going to set this aside. You can place in the fridge if you like until you're ready. So the loaf has been removed from the tin, cooled appropriately, and it's ready to be frosted. So use a palette knife to just gently smooth the tops. Just added sprinkle of cinnamon powder. So now I'm going to slice it to place it in the tiffin box. I like to pair these healthy cakes with some fruit. So there we have 2 slices of healthy whole grain banana bread with peanut butter frosting. So I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more such tiffin recipes.